Hello everybody, this is Jerry here, Minnow Moto. I'm here with something a little bit different today in my office, and I wanted to share with the world, or at least my watchers. A few weeks ago you watched me, I put on a GPS mount on my Zumo XT for my Pan America. It was an Aluma Cycles, the War Eagle GPS mount. Well, due to a shipping error, I have a second one. I have a second one. This is for the 21 and 22 Pan America. I'm going to offer it to one of the watchers of this video. I just ask that you go and hit the subscribe button, and in the comment section just put War Eagle so I know that you're interested. I'm going to pull names on the 17th. I think that's a Saturday. I don't have a lot of subscribers, so your chances are pretty good. Alright, so good luck. I'll put a link to my install video if you have any other questions. If you don't have a Zumo XT GPS, they also have a way that you can hook up ram balls to this, and it can hold up to 75 pounds. I will also include a link to their install video on how to do that. I love the product on mine, and I hope to share it with someone else out there. Again, subscribe, comments, War Eagle, pulling names on the 17th. Good luck everybody, ride safe, have fun, and do something different.